The brand new Tesla Model Y Juniper is here, and it's packed with features that change the game. From a bold new look to smart upgrades, this Tesla definitely stands out. Stick around as I reveal my top favorite new features that make this Tesla a must-have. First up, let's talk about a feature that's all about convenience. The Model Y Juniper now includes automatic folding and unfolding rear seats. Unlike the older model where you had to physically push the seats back up and walk around, now all you have to do is push the button and they will retract back up. And with just a tap, you can instantly expand your cargo space. They also included buttons on the rear passenger seat, so passengers can recline their own seats either from the seat or from the new rear screen in the Model Y. This is so much better than how the old Model Y did it, where you had to reach behind you, pull a latch, and then awkwardly shove your seat forward or backwards if you wanted it to recline. And that's not the only update they've done to the seats. So now the front seats are now ventilated, which is a must-have, especially if you live somewhere that gets super hot during the summers. I live in Vegas, and during the summers it gets 115, 120, so having these cooled seats is definitely a must during those summer heats. And since we're speaking of summer heats, this next feature is absolutely one of my favorite features they added to the Model Y Juniper. It's a simple feature, but they added a built-in drain plug to the Frunk. This turns your front trunk into more than just extra storage now. It's now a game changer for road trips, tailgates, outdoor ventures. You can load it up with a bunch of ice, have drinks in there, and then all you have to do at the end of the day is just unplug it and it'll drain all the excess water out. Now let's talk about a feature that's making its way into the Model Y Juniper, and I'm glad Tesla didn't hold back this time. It's a front camera. Originally it was planned for the refresh Model 3, but they scrapped it during production. But the Model Y Juniper delivers where the 3 didn't. This front-facing camera, it is a game changer, especially when it comes to parking in tight spaces or navigating tricky spots. The front camera, it also includes a front sprayer to help clean the camera if it does get dirty, and this is a cool feature that the Cybertruck also has. And there you have it, the Tesla Model Y Juniper and some of my favorite new features that take this EV to the next level. From its smart design upgrades to some game-changing functionality, Tesla continues to lead the charge. Let me know down in the comments which feature impressed you the most, or if there's one that you're dying to try out. The Model Y Juniper is now available for pre-order on Tesla's website. If you use my code in the link in the description, you'll save $500.